Hello everyone, today we're going to read Spot's Windy Day and Other Stories by Eric Hill, published by Puffin Books. Spot in the Snow. One morning Spot woke up and got a big surprise. Outside, everything was covered in snow. "Mum, can I go out with my sledge?" Spot asked. "Yes, but put on your hat and scarf," said Sally. "It's very cold outside." "I don't need all that, Mum," said Spot, opening the door. "Boo! You're right, Mum. It's cold." Spot put on his hat and scarf. By the time Spot had pulled his sledge to the top of the hill, he was feeling warm again. He sat on his sledge and pushed himself off. Whoosh! Down he went to the bottom of the hill. "This is great," he said. Steve was skating on the pond. "Hello, Spot," Steve called out. "Do you want to dry my skates?" Skating looked easy when Steve did it. But Spot found out it wasn't so easy after all. "I think I'll stick with my sledge. Come and ride with me, Steve." They climbed the hill, pulling the sledge together. When they reached the top, they got on the sledge. "Ready, steady, go!" The sledge went much faster with Spot and Steve both on it. "Whee! This is fantastic!" shouted Steve. "Yes!" cried Spot. "Watch out for the ooh!" The sledge hit a big pile of snow and came to a sudden stop. Spot and Steve rolled out into the snow. Then something knocked Spot's hat down over his eyes. "What's that?" Spot asked. They heard giggling, and there was Helen laughing at them all, covered in snow. "It's a snowball," she called. "And here's another." And before he could move, a big squishy snowball hit Steve in the tummy. "Here's one for you," yelled Steve, throwing a snowball back. "And another," shouted Spot. "Hey," said Helen, "2 against 1 isn't fair. Come on and help me build a snowman. Look, I've already started." Helen had rolled a big snowball for the snowman's body. Spot helped her roll another one for his head. "Come and help us, Steve," called Spot. "In a minute," said Steve. "I'm busy." Helen and Spot put the head on the body. They found 2 stones for the snowman's eyes and a piece of wood for his mouth. "Look at our snowman, Steve," called Spot. "And look what I've made," said Steve. Steve had made a snow dog on top of Spot's sledge. It looked a lot like Spot. "That's great," said Spot. Why did you build it on my sledge? So you could take it home, Spot. Mum will be surprised with 2 Spots come home, said Spot. It's lucky she told me to wear my hat and scarf. She'll know which one is me. And that's the end of story time. Remember to subscribe today to English Lessons Online. Thank you.